Weight loss is a shit goal. Let me explain why it's a shit goal. When we think of weight loss, we are thinking of an end state and our body being in a particular way, looking slimmer, more toned, being able to do more things. This is a goal, absolutely. It's a goal that lots of us has. I'm not saying it's a bad goal, but the reason why it's a shit goal is because it's not instilling routines, qualities, and lifestyles. And we see this all the time with those transformations. I don't know what they're called, fucking Ultimate Loser or whatever. These transformations are all based around people transforming their body into this amazing shape, getting grilled by some pumped up trainer that's just going to thrash them every time they train, eating nutrition plans that don't work for them, that they're not going to sustain after they've achieved these goals at the end of this program. And then what happens at the end? They transform, they lose all this weight, and you go and look at these programs. Every single one of these TV programs that's aired in the States has had every single person put their fucking weight back on. And the reason is because that weight loss as a goal is not good enough. The goal that you need to have, if weight loss hasn't worked for you, the goal that you need to take up is one that's based around routine. Daily routine, taking actions towards your destination, which is living the lifestyle of someone that looks like someone that loses your weight, okay? That's the difference with it. You want to look like the person that's lost this weight, but you want to have performance and lifestyle and routine that allows you to keep it afterwards, because you'll lose it and you'll put it back on if you don't have sustainable training, nutrition, and making it an everyday thing that you enjoy. So it's about, I guess, finding enjoyment in the process in order for you to stick with it after. Humans, we're creatures of comfort, we're creatures of enjoyment, we're also creatures of challenge as well. And it's important that we feed ourselves and have that enjoyment along the way so that we can retain that lifestyle and retain that body, go even further after it. So that is weight loss as a shit goal. Do not pick it as your goal. You want to instill that routine and lifestyle. Peace out, team.